All right, so this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to download your build plans for your Becks Armory product. So many of you will have downloaded your digital build plans at checkout. You should be prompted at checkout, or there should be a little checkbox. But if you don't see that and you miss it, and it's okay, because you have infinite access to your build plans on your Becks Armory account. So what you're going to do, you're going to open up your internet browser and you're going to go to becksarmory.com, and then you're going to click on accounts right up here, and then you're going to log in. Now if you forgot your password, you can say, I forgot my password, lost your password right here. Now, I know that you have one because all items that require digital build plans can only be sold to people with accounts. So you can't do guest checkout anymore, and the reason is that way you can always come back and get your plans if you happen to miss them at checkout. So go ahead and log in or retrieve your account with the lost your password. And once you log in, you will see something that says downloads. So if you click on this, it's going to show you all of your available downloads. Now, of course, this is my website, and I granted myself access to all of these. That way I can download them even if I'm not home. Now you'll see here, downloads remaining, infinite. Expires, never. And this isn't just my account. Your account will be the same way. So the advantage of being able to get your plans from the website is if I'm on vacation, or if I'm at work, or if I'm away from my phone and you want your plans right now, you can get them right now, anytime. Otherwise, I'll have to wait until I see your email, your text, or your Facebook message, and then I might have to go home and then email them to you, which could take hours, hopefully not days. But anyways, so basically you just click whichever one. Say you want to do your woodshed prints. You just click it and it will show up right over here. Look at that. Open files. So anyways, now if you click download and you don't know where your files are going, most computers default to right here, downloads. I noticed some guys, I'll go to their account after they purchase a set of plans and it says download like 20 times. And then they'll email me and say, hey, I can't get my plans. Well, you're getting them, you just don't know where they're going. So check your downloads folder. This is going to be everything right there, woodshed. This is Windows default. If you've changed your Windows default, I can't help you because I don't know what you changed it to. But downloads is the default where all of your stuff goes. Anyways, guys, if you have any other questions about downloading your digital build plans, let me know. Once again, thanks for supporting Becks Armory. Thanks for buying a Becks Armory product. I appreciate you greatly.